Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we know about the USDINR important levels, targets, news, strategy. If you're interested, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it with Telegram channel link in descriptions. Once more time our sales targets are hit and we get massive profit from it. So connect with our Telegram channel and updated with all levels and targets of USDINR. Okay, here we know about USDINR important levels for tomorrow. We buy above 72.57 and the targets are 72.65 and 72.70. In against scenario, if USDINR below 72.48, we sell and the targets are 72.42 or 72.30. Okay friends, stay continue with our YouTube channel and please like, share, subscribe and connect it with the Telegram channel link in description. Okay, take care, bye bye.